Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the process of setting up Brevo's autoresponder for your email marketing strategy. If you're new to Brevo, be sure to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those of you who are already set up, just log in and let's get started. First, navigate to the Automation tab. On this page, you'll find all your previous automations along with a button in the top right corner labeled Create an Automation. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now encounter two choices. You can either build an automation from the ground up or opt for a built-in automation, depending on your needs. Since I'm looking to set up an autoresponder for a welcome message, I'll choose a built-in option. At this point, we have our entry point established, which is triggered when a contact joins or is added to our list. You can then add a delay based on your preference, followed by an action to send out a welcome email. Next, I'll click on Use this automation. Here, you'll need to select the list that the new contact will join, and then you can specify a delay in minutes, hours, days, weeks, or even months. After making your selections, click Next. Now it's time to pick the email template you wish to send. Once you've finalized your choices, click on Activate Automation. Your autoresponder will be up and running. I hope this video proves to be helpful for you. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80K in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.